the High Court's order, and he's issued a statement. He's in fact said that he doesn't have direct access to that entire order. He will not hesitate from a probe. Remember, there's now pressure for an impartial investigation, and Siddaramaiah has now issued a statement. Finally, let's quickly go across to Harish, who continues to join us on the broadcast. Harish, could you please expand on that statement that's coming from the Karnataka Chief Minister?
Well, three crucial points in this statement. He's saying that the court hasn't accepted the governor's order under section 218 of BNNS, and he's also saying only under section 17A of the PC Act that the court has passed an order and upheld that particular ruling of the governor in the order. And he believes that in the coming days, he will get justice even on the point of allowing this investigation under PC Act 17A, and he would go to the court. He is saying that we will approach the court. We are hopeful that we will get justice. He is also making another point here. He is saying, I won't hesitate from any investigation. I will discuss with the legal experts on whether there is provision for that. Remember, one of the main arguments even in the court by everyone was that irrespective of whether it can be deemed as prosecution, sanction for prosecution or sanction for investigation, when there is a complaint, there has to be an investigation. That was the argument. And somewhere Siddaramaiah hinting that he is willing for having an investigation, but he will have to check with his legal team on whether there is provision for that. And he says this ruling is only on section 17A of the PC Act. He goes on to say that this is a political conspiracy, but he is also mentioning that all his ministers and MLAs are firmly with him, and he is confident that he will emerge victorious in this. So clearly the CM coming out in a way saying that we will battle this out. There is no question of resignation. There are parts of this judgment that we see some hope in, and we will challenge the other aspects where the order has gone in favor of the
Harish, before I quickly let you go, there's just a slight clarification. The Karnataka High Court order is in fact very much referring to 223, the section from BNSS. Then why is the Chief Minister making that statement? Just for our clarification.
Well, he's talking about section 218 of BNNS. He's saying that on that aspect, there is no very clear ruling here. Although he is saying that I will give a detailed response once I go through the whole order copy. But he's saying on the surface of it, this looks like a ruling on section 17A of the PC Act. And even that we will challenge in the court, and we will get relief from the courts. That's the argument that they are making. But the crucial takeaway from this, Akanksha, right now is that he is saying, I'm willing for an investigation.